Hello, my name is Lilia Roll. I'm doing the articulation presentation with Brian Stratton, Professor Malik's class, MCCG 262. I have gained knowledge from taking courses and having learned a lot throughout this time. My knowledge improved in so many ways in reading, typing, and computer skills. While I'm a full-time student, at the same time, I'm full-time medical assistant and full-time mom, of course. This knowledge that I have gained with Bryan and Stratton College will be with me for life. I have already talked to my supervisor at work, and she will try to look for a coding job for me. I'm very excited to start a new journey and very thankful for the decision I've made to go ahead and start and finish these courses. I'm also very thankful for the people that helped me at Bryan and Stratton to go through this. And together we made it through this journey together. I would like to go over my creed with you really quick. This is how I organize it. Some of the projects I'm still in process to be added because I got a new computer. I'll add some of the files here. But here's my profile, my CRED profile. If you can see, there's academic services, competency assessments. You can also add educational background, employment history, resume. You can add it to skills, technical computer skills, volunteer, community, civil activity. You can add that here if you want. All you have to do is just click here on edit button and add whatever history you have. You can always go back here and modify and edit. For competencies, as you see, I added what we have in our articulation worksheet, our portfolios, competency assessments. I had in this course, MCCG 212, we had a portfolio project, and I have added this portfolio. If I click on the edit records, you can see that there's a program outcomes. I put it in details explaining our program outcomes and what they are. It explains abstract information from medical charts to assign a correct diagnosis for ICD-10, procedure ICPT, supply, HCPCS level 2, code and variety of medical situations. I have also explained a brief description of the course portfolio project. I was able accurately to identify all the codes with correct diagnosis, ICD-10, procedure CPT, and supplies HCPCS level 2 codes in variety of medical situations. I was able to provide detailed, accurate reasoning regarding format, symbols, and structural notations. So, and below that, I have also attached a document of that portfolio. If I click on it, it'll pull out the Microsoft Word portfolio project that I have completed. And as you can see that there's everything that I have completed and the research I've done, everything in details shows my whole portfolio. So this is how you could show whoever's looking at your employers, looking at you, all the work you've done at school. They can see all the work you put into at school, at your courses, all you have done. So, and then you can save it, exit, and start on the next one. Next one I have summative assessment 1. And that also says program outcomes, follow established methods of inquiry and mathematical reasoning to form conclusions and make decisions. Brief description: I was able to do mathematics with real data. This includes recognizing the real-world perfect data, ambiguous and multiple possible solutions. Would this encourage me to engage in productive struggles to learn mathematics and make connection to the world in which I live? Over here, I think I can also pull out a document that I have attached, and it shows you everything. It doesn't really show the mathematics, the calculations and everything, but with the drugs and classification, in calculations, I couldn't find the one with the drug calculations, but this is something I can work on, maybe add the calculations to it, how to calculate the drugs calculations to it, and how to calculate drugs in milligrams, maybe add how do you calculate drug dosage. That's something I can add to it in the future, maybe at the end of the attachment to it. So this is something that you can do too, and then in the future, and any other projects too. Also, I also attached the articulation sheet. This is just the one that the overall thing that I had, all the programs, the outcomes, and brief description of all of the programs that I went through, articulated. So this is how I articulate my worksheet, and I hope everything goes well for everybody. Good luck, and good luck for the future for everybody, and I hope everything goes well for me too in the future, and I have a good journey for everybody. Thank you very much.